Hi there, here's the newly launched Zeb Smart Bot. Now this speaker has replaced the echo in my room. It comes with built-in Alexa, so I can play my songs and control Alexa compatible devices. Not only that, the cherry on the cake is it also comes with a built-in IR Blaster. So now I can voice control my TV, air conditioner or any device that comes with an infrared receiver. It doesn't even need to be a smart device. Just that one feature takes this to the next level. Something I wish all the Echo speakers had. Now I've been using this for a week. I'll show you the unboxing, the build, the design, the setup, the sound quality, controlling IR devices and the price. So you can decide if this smart speaker you should buy or not. So let's jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Zebronics Smart Bot. You can see the branding right here. On the side of the box, you can see the QR code for the Zeb Home app. It's compatible with iOS as well as for Android. On the side, we have the branding again, the image of the speaker. It also mentions Alexa built-in. On this side are some of the features. Let's have a close look. So it can control IR devices from anywhere, 360-degree remote control, dual far-field mics, 5-watt speakers, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support, smart app control and Alexa built-in again. On the other side, you have some manufacturing details and the MRP is $5,999. But you can get this from Amazon for just $3,699. So let's unbox it. So right on the top, you have a user manual. The speaker itself, we'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. And a micro USB to USB cable. So let's start with the build. The body is made of plastic and it has a matte black finish. It weighs just 388 grams, which means it's super portable and can be placed anywhere in your home or office. It's about 5.5 inches in height and 3.5 inches in width. The grille is very stylishly designed. Uniform holes below and random holes above. You can see the Zebronics branding on one side and the Zeb Smart Bot branding on the other. On the top are all the buttons and a 360-degree IR blaster on the top ring, which means you can basically keep it in any direction. The buttons are very familiar, like the Echo speakers, volume up and down, pause play button, the mute button and the action button in the center. Now there are 2 far field mics, but somehow we can see 4, which I really don't know why because the user manual clearly mentions 2. There is a small LED ring around the center button which turns red when you mute it, orange when setting up and blue when you call out the Alexa word. You know what, I'll just mute down the Alexa word in this video so that it doesn't wake up your devices. Alright, moving on, towards the back is the micro USB port to power the speaker. So initially I was disappointed, why not USB-C? But I just realized it wouldn't matter. USB-C ho ya micro USB, it's anyway going to be plugged in all the time. The only shortcoming on it to me is that there's no power brick provided in the box. So make sure you have a spare. The good thing is that it can still be powered on with a power bank, which means now you can take it outdoors as well. Before you ask me in the comments, let me tell you, it doesn't come with a built-in battery. You will need to keep it plugged in to power it if you want to use it. So overall, I can say that the build quality is quite good. Different from the cloth fabric we see on all the Echo speakers. Alright, let's set it up. First, we plug in the provided cable to the micro USB port and power it on. After a few seconds, the ring light on the top will turn orange.
I am ready connecting.
And it will tell you it's ready to set up. Then download the Zeb Home app on your Android or iPhone. Once logged in, click on Add Device. The Zeb bot will show up. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Then enter your Amazon account credentials and you should be done in a couple of seconds. It's super quick and easy. So let's check it out. What is the weather in Mumbai?
Right now in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 33 degrees Celsius with dreary skies.
What is the height of Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is 300 meters tall.
Sir, play Arijit Singh songs.
The playlist Best of Arijit Singh on Amazon Music.
So I can't play songs in this video as I could get a copyright strike. So for the sound demo, I'm going to pair my phone via Bluetooth to the Zeb Smart Bot. Yes, the speaker also comes with Bluetooth version 4.2, so you can play songs directly from your phone to the speaker as well. Turn on Bluetooth.
searching.
Now go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check for Zeb Smart Bot. There you go, click, and you're paired. Now let's play some copyright-free music. So, the Zeb SmartBot has a single driver which provides 5 watt sound output, and it gets surprisingly loud for such a small speaker. The audio is clear and crisp. Don't expect bass on these, it's very minimal, but mids and highs are really good. Now this is no party speaker, it's a small one that does sound quite good. Most of the people mistake high bass with good sound. It's not true, good drivers are more important. By the way, would love to compare these with an Echo Dot. Write down in the comments and let me know if you'd like to see that. So the sound is clear and quite enjoyable, perfect for a bedside table, kitchen shelf, or even your work desk. Alright, let's come to the most interesting feature of the Zeb SmartBot, the built-in voice controllable IR Blaster. So I've already connected my O General AC with it, but I'll show you how it's done. First thing you gotta do is go to the Zeb Home app. Click on the Zeb Home Bot, click here, IR devices. Here you can see the AC is already installed, but you are going to click on add. So here is a huge list of IR devices that it can control: TV, set-top boxes, air conditioners, fan, TV boxes, DVD players, light, projector, audio systems, cameras, heaters, and even a do-it-yourself for devices that aren't listed. Let's go to air. Look for the brand of AC you have. I have O General. Here I'm going to get a few options to test, and once it's done, you click on CAN control. Once done, you can open here and control the power, the temperature level, the airspeed, and so much more. Now till here, this will only help you to control the AC or IR devices from the Zeb app and not by voice. For that, there's still a small step to do. Go to the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you're logged in with the same Amazon credentials you did on the Zeb app. Click here, Skills and Games. Once in, search for Zebronics Home. Enable it. Log in with your Zebronics app login and password. Once the linking is done, you'll see the air in the list of devices. Now you can control the AC from here, which means even if you're somewhere outside, you can turn on the AC remotely from this app and even from your voice. Check it out. So now you can see the air conditioner in the background, and in my hand is the Zeb SmartBot. Let's give it a command to turn it on. Alexa, turn on the air. And the air conditioner started. You can call it air conditioner, whatever you want. You can go to the Alexa app and name it whatever you want to call it. Let's turn it off. Alexa, turn off the air. And there you go, it's turned off. Simple, easy. You can even give a voice command to change the temperature. Now remember, this will only work if your Zeb SmartBot is powered on, connected to the internet, and is in straight sight of the IR device you want to control. Also remember, there should be no obstruction in between. In my experience, it worked flawlessly. Imagine this, controlling your TV, your set-top box, your DVD player, AC, DVD player, did I just say DVD player? It's very unlikely people using DVD player in a time of streaming. But anyway, anything that has an IR receiver will work. Considering many of us have devices that aren't Alexa supported, this is a perfect bridge, IR with Alexa. It's a huge leap ahead from the Echo speakers. I really want to see Zebronics bring bigger, better speakers with the same IR feature. Should be fun. Alright, but it's not perfect. Let's address the cons. So firstly, no 3.5 aux out like we see on almost all Echo speakers, which kind of makes it easier to connect it to your home theater system with just a simple aux cable. Alternatively, you can do the same over Bluetooth just in case you wanna. Then I wish they had provided a small adapter inside the box. Kind of it makes it easier because this is not a speaker we keep removing and plugging it out. We need a plug because this needs to be powered on to work. Rest, you can do everything that an Echo speaker can do. literally everything. You can set timers, set alarms, play songs, and obviously control smart devices. The mic on the SmartBot is also quite responsive and mostly worked fine. I can easily recommend this to anyone looking for a small smart speaker to play music and to control your basic home peripherals also. Wow! You can buy the Zeb SmartBot for $3,699 on Amazon starting 8th of March. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedbacks or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.